Good morning, students. So, today we have to start with an experiment to prove that carbon dioxide is produced by green plants during respiration. So, what are the apparatus or the things required for this experiment? We need a bell jar. This is called a bell jar. Then we need two conical flasks. These two are the two conical flasks. Three corks we need, one cork, two cork and three cork. Then delivery tube, we need here one delivery tube, another delivery tube, third delivery tube, fourth delivery tube. Okay. Then we need a potted plant. This is the potted plant over here, and a glass sheet and Vaseline. So this is the glass sheet. Okay, so bell jar is kept on a glass sheet, and all around the bell jar the Vaseline is applied so that this arrangement will become airtight. Okay, then we need an air pump. Here is the air pump through which air will be coming or entering inside this apparatus. Then we need freshly prepared lime water. In these two conical flasks we need freshly prepared lime water. Okay, then soda lime is used over here. So air pump is pumping the air into this arrangement, and this air is passing through soda lime. So when air is passing through soda lime, whatever would be the carbon dioxide in the air will get dissolved over here. So the air coming out from it is free from carbon dioxide. Then we need a black cloth to prevent the process of photosynthesis. So this bell jar will be covered with the black cloth or black chart paper. And why it is covered with the black cloth or black chart paper? So that this plant will not perform the process of photosynthesis. And when the plant is not performing the process of photosynthesis, the product of respiration will not be utilized in the process of photosynthesis. So that is why we will be able to show that carbon dioxide is produced in respiration. Otherwise, what will happen? This plant will perform the process of respiration as well as photosynthesis. So whatever carbon dioxide will be produced by the plant, it will be itself utilized by the plant for the process of photosynthesis, and there will be no liberation of carbon dioxide entering into this lime water, and the lime water will not turn milky. So now we have to see the observations. So in the flask A, the lime water does not turn milky. And the reason is what? Why this lime water is not turning milky? Because the air coming through soda lime will absorb the carbon dioxide. So this lime water is proving that the air coming from the air pump and pass through the soda lime is free from carbon dioxide. Okay, then what is the observation in flask B? The lime water turns milky. In this flask B, the lime water will turn milky. Sorry, you just see this is B and this is A. Okay, this is A and this is B. Clear? So carbon dioxide is produced by the potted plant as a result of respiration, and that is why the lime water in flask B will turn milky. Okay. Next we have to see another experiment to show that heat is evolved during respiration. So what are the apparatus and things required for this experiment? We need two thermos flasks. And why we need the thermos flask? Because it will not allow the heat to pass through it. Then we need two thermometers, we need cotton plug, we need boiled bean seed and germinating bean seed. Boiled bean seed will perform the process of respiration and will release heat energy, whereas the germinating bean seeds will not perform the process of respiration and there will be no release of heat energy. We also need formalin or carbolic acid. The purpose of formalin or carbolic acid is to prevent the process of bacterial decomposition. Okay, so this is the setup what we have to do. This is the thermos flask A and thermos flask B. In this we have taken the germinating seeds. In this we have taken the boiled seeds coated with formalin or carbolic acid. With the help of the cotton plug, the two thermometers are attached. So what you observe in this, here the temperature is shown over here only, and here the temperature is rising more. So in flask A, the germinating bean seeds has performed the process of respiration, as a result of which heat energy is produced, and when heat energy is produced there will be more rise in temperature as compared to flask B, whereas in flask B the seeds are boiled, so there will be no process of respiration, so there is no release of heat energy, and that is why there will be no such rise in temperature. Okay, so in flask A, higher reading, that is the rise in temperature, and reason for it is what? Heat is evolved as a result of respiration. Whereas in flask B there is no rise in temperature. And why there is no rise in temperature? Because the dead bean seeds do not perform the process of respiration, and as a result of which the heat energy is not released. This is all for today. Thank you everyone.